Hello everyone, welcome to your first step in writing the literature review, which is about choosing a research topic. In this PowerPoint, we will talk about choosing a research topic, and I will also provide you some information about the literature review so that you know the connection that is happening between those two. So when you are selecting a topic, first you have to decide in what you are interested. Look at your discipline. Look at the place that you are working, or look at the surroundings that you have. Start with something that you are interested in, but also start with something that can be finished. It is doable. You are going to do literature review, and you may want to take this further and expand it in the next semester, or you may want to leave it and do completely something different. That is up to you. But remember to take something that is doable. This is an investigation. It is not setting out to prove anything, because you are not collecting data, you are not doing any interventions, you are just doing a literature review in this. So yes, you may definitely do all that stuff in your next semester, but for this one, begin with a general topic. This is how you begin for your research topic, is begin with a general topic and narrow it down to a specific question. For example, I am very interested in exploring or understanding how students think about math. That's a huge general topic. Then I say I'm very interested in narrowing it down is how students think about place value, the positions of digits, tens and ones. Then I want to narrow it down again is how do students think about place value with the use of manipulatives. So now I am investigating is different types of manipulators, like maybe base 10 blocks, maybe chips, counters, whatever it is. But I have narrowed it down from just thinking about how students think about mathematics to what do they think about place value, and that too just with the use of manipulatives. So that is what is called is starting with a specific topic and then narrowing it down. So what are you going to be doing is the specificity of your question is necessary in finding data. You are going to be looking up articles on the academic search complete from the library. If you need help with that, please post it on the course question discussion board and I will put a small tutorial up. Primary resources is very important because that is where it has been investigated. Secondary is who've written about it and then you are reporting it. So you need to talk about primary resources. Recent ones, 5 to 8 years old, and unless it's a seminal piece, a landmark classic study in it. So you see where the research topic is so important, because the research topic determines what articles you collect, what do you write about, what will your outline be. So again, pick something that is reasonable, pick something that is doable. Your goal this semester, this summer, as it is, it's a shortened semester, is summer, is to learn about the research process and complete it from the beginning to the end. And then they talk about is you are making an argument is you're making an argument, you're learning what is good research. That is what you are learning. Why are you doing this? What is the purpose of doing a literature review? Is because you are providing a rationale. If it's already been done, for example, the number of hours in related to the grade in class. Well, it's already been investigated. What's the use? Why would you be doing it? So to provide a rationale for your topic, talk about where is the gap, what are you adding to the literature. That is what you're going to be doing. It is supposed to be a synthesis of what we know about a topic and not a review of researchers. Is you would not say this research said this research said this research said this. You are going to say, okay, all these research were talking about this, but yet there was a differing opinion from all these. So you're synthesizing all the researchers together. Research studies are more valuable than opinions. Yes, because once again, you have a rationale, you have a backing, you are making an argument, and you have evidence to prove that argument. That is where your literature review provides you with that. Your flow for your topic is, you will make a case for it, you will be specific, tell us what you know about the topic, explain why is it valuable, think about the different parts of it. And the best way to win an argument is to take the wind out of someone else's is, think about you being in a courtroom. You're a lawyer. You want to win. How are you going to win? You are going to win by providing evidence, by providing rationalization, taking the wind out of the other lawyers. So that's how you're going to win, and this is what the literature review would be towards, is proving why your research topic is valuable and adds to your overall literature. So for this assignment, you are going to use the documents that are provided to brainstorm your research topic. You are going to be posting a video about your research topic and also providing feedback to 2 peers. So for your post, think about the topic you want to investigate, narrow it down to a question, keeping in mind the variables you want to explore. Let's say, for example, I want to explore the effect of technology. Technology is so huge. I'm going to narrow it down to, let's say, I want to just explore about Flipgrid. I'm using Flipgrid. Now I want to just investigate about Flipgrid in an online setting. So my question would be something is, what is the impact of using Flipgrid on students learning in an online setting? Or I could say is, what is the relationship between use of Flipgrid and college students learning in an online setting or in any other in an online setting? So one of the big things that I want to reinforce is that the due date for this assignment is Thursday, 11:30 p.m. So by 11:30 p.m. you should have your post and 2 replies to your peers. But after receiving feedback, if you want to post another initial post, it is just going to be within 2 minutes. It doesn't have to be 2 minutes. It can be shorter too. It could be 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 1 minute. I will keep providing you feedback. This is week 2, and this assignment, specific question would again be graded in week 3. So it would really help you is to post, use the feedback and post it again. If you will post your initial post early on, I will provide you feedback and you can revise and review and then post it again. So this is a way for me to help you narrow it down, which will be submitted for additional grade in week 3. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask and post on the course question discussion board.